Yes, fam. Our chicken has been marinated for 2.5 hours. We took it out for about half an hour after we took it out, because we want it to come almost, but it's not full room temperature, but it's not cold. Okay, our oil is over there being preheated. Yes, and we have our dry rub here, our dry batter here. So what, let me wash my hands are clean, but still let me give it a little. So we're gonna get our hands all dried, clean, because we're gonna use our hands right here, and I told you. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna open our bag right here. Wow, smells so nice. And we're gonna proceed to start coating them in this here, our dry batter rub. So we're gonna flour them off, because we want them to, and we have a little liquid in the bag because we want them to be a bit moist, because we're going to put our flour on them and we're going to leave them. We're going to put them, knock the excess off, yes, and we're going to do 2 plates. So the first plate, we do it and then we're going to leave it, because we want this dry mixture here to get a little bit of setting on the wet chicken. Okay, y'all? So we're going right in, and as I told you before, right, we ain't editing out anything. I'm not showing you to do these wings. I'm teaching you how you can do these wings for a nice little, as I said before, Christmas tree lighting, finger food, or baby shower. So many other ideas can come to you. And you see what happened, I was telling you about the feathers, and it's always a good time when you flower them. If any has just like try to get away from it, the flower, it always shows up in them. So you always gotta be careful, gotta be vigilant. Okay, you all? So we are battering dry, putting them, and if you notice, give them a shot. The flour, those that we started from the first, this set, the flour is being properly set. And give them a shot over the table, because you're doing this, and this is how your kitchen table is gonna look. Okay, it can't be clean and all prim and proper, because you're coating some chicken here into a dry mixture. So give them a shot. This is how your table is gonna look. Your table can't be looking any neat and fine, because this is what we're doing. This is what is happening like right now. This is what is trending now. So this is how your table is gonna look. Okay, y'all? So I told you to ride and whistle. And we have our first batch over here. Give them a shot. Look at these comparing to these. You can see that the mixture is all set. The moisture from the chicken is holding the flour. Okay? So we're going to proceed now to use this first one that we have coated to go into our oil. We're going to test. If you have your deep fryer, use a deep fryer. So you test with a little. And remember, we're going to deep fat fry. So this is what you want your oil looking like. Okay, you all, could be a little more. Could be a little hotter. Yes. Could be a little hotter. But we're there. And do not crowd it. Do not, when I say crowd, do not put in too much one time. You need to give them space. No more. Okay, y'all? And we are going to fry them with, inside our oil, deep fat, uncovered. We are going to fry them off, and we are going to get that brown and pretty color from side to side. We are going to fry them. We are going to come back over here, and we're going to start flouring some more batches. So when those are finished, next in line will be this batch that is here setting, taking the set with the flour on top of it. So we are going to do this, and when you see us next, all our chicken will be fried off. We'll show you what they look like, and we're going to proceed to put them in our barbecue sauce and to put them in the oven. Okay, y'all?